What was her reasoning for wanting to call the police if you took your own items
Because
back?
she white, I'm black.
Okay.
Y'all gonna believe her?
Go for it. 2359.
Hey everyone, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Mikey Mo. I'm a police officer for a little over 15 years at this point, and on this channel we cover law enforcement topics, and like today's video is an actual body cam footage of a call I went to and the investigation that ensued afterwards. So if you're new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so when new videos come out. And if you're not already, follow me on the other social media platforms. I have all of the links right in the description down below. And the one last thing I'll ask of you guys, and it's totally free to do and it helps the channel out, hit that thumbs up button. That pushes this video and more people get to see content like this so we can put the actual truth out there of the reality of law enforcement today and what we do on a day-to-day basis. All right, with that being said, let's get into this video and this call. Now, this is a really important video. I wanted to share this with you guys, and from the whole time we were on the call, I was like, this is gonna be a good one. And you're gonna see here where this is what society and the media has done to policing in general. This man's attitude that you're gonna see in this video is the epitome of what you guys see on the news and the narrative that tries to get pushed left and right nowadays. I want you to watch this call, I want you to watch it to the end, and I want you to see how it was handled and how it turns out in the end, because I promise you, this is 95% of police interactions, and you're only seeing those 5% that are like off the wall and crazy. What you're about to see is how things are really done and how fair and impartial policing is handled on the street. So watch this call, and I want to hear what you guys think about it in the comments below. Is this how you would have handled it? Is it what you expected to happen in the call? Now, real quick background, this came in as a disturbance because the woman who called is basically just screaming on the phone and they can't make heads or tails of what she's saying, so it gets titled as either an unknown problem or a disturbance. In this case, it got titled as a disturbance, and that's basically all we knew that we were going to, and the investigation you're about to see is what the actual complaint was and how it unfolds. So take a look and let me know what you think about it.
I'm the black guy.
Hi, how are you?
I'm all right, sir.
You didn't call, did you?
No, she did.
Okay. He's gonna talk to her. Give me your side of this real quick.
I was in the store.
Okay.
I purchased some stuff. I went to purchase some more stuff. She came to the counter. She took my stuff and left out the store. She stole my stuff that I purchased
Okay.
and left out the store. So when I get back to the counter, I asked the girl, where's my stuff? She said, I don't know, somebody must have took it. I come outside, she got it.
Okay.
She got my stuff, I take it back.
All right.
She stole from me.
Okay.
But she called the police on me.
What did she say? Did she think it was her somehow, or?
How in the fuck she thought it was hers? She knew it wasn't hers.
Okay, that's so. Was
She
your
knew
stuff like
it wasn't hers.
You had already paid for it. They bagged it up, and it was sitting on
Yes.
the end of the counter. Okay.
Yes.
She picks it up along with her stuff
And took it. She stole it, man.
Okay.
She stole from me.
Okay. All right.
But I'm the bad guy because I come and retrieve my shit back.
Right. Did you ask her for it first, or you just come over and snatch it?
No, I said, you got my stuff. She said, what are you talking about?
Okay.
I don't have your stuff. See her bag?
Okay. Yeah.
So I said, that's mine right there. She talking about, what are you talking about? Then I snatched my shit back. I ain't put my hands on her. I ain't touch her.
You have, just for the sake of argument, do you have your receipt from the stuff when you
I
bought
got
it?
everything. The lady back about.
Tell you. Okay. Perfect. No. I gotta
I
ask.
got witnesses.
Okay. I just gotta ask. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
Ask her, do she got receipts for the shit that she took from me?
hang tight. All right.
But she can call the police and make me look like the bad guy. And she stole from me.
Did I come up here and throw you in handcuffs? I throw you on the ground? I do anything crazy? No, I'm talking.
Security guard standing right there. I
Yeah.
ain't do shit.
Look, just because people call us, they can tell us all kinds of stuff. So you know.
When they say it's a black man, y'all gonna rush up here.
Did I rush up on you? No. You know what I mean? Trust me.
Absolutely crazy.
I've been doing this for a long time. People say a lot of crazy stuff on the phone. It doesn't mean I just believe them because they
Man,
say
the girl stole
it. I hear you.
my
Hang tight. All right.
stole my shit.
She's saying that she was checking out in front of him,
Okay.
checks out and everything, grabs the bags, and she's saying that the clerk put other stuff in the bag she didn't know was his.
Okay.
So she took all the bags, hopped on the bike, and started rolling, and
Okay.
comes out and then says that he's doing this, makes this big scene, shoves her, all this stuff. I mean, she didn't have any injuries, no
Right.
have any reason to believe that he actually shoved her.
Okay.
But
So
it's-
yeah, then it's gonna boil down
It's
to
a
the he said she said about whether she maliciously took his stuff or whether it was accidentally.
Yeah.
If she's good there, I'll poke my head in the Family
Yeah, see if
Family
you can
Dollar
talk
and
to
see.
them.
Yeah.
It wasn't a mistake.
You know what's going on with this stuff a little bit. So here's the part we're trying to figure out. Both of them have like sort of a similar story. I guess what we're trying to define is the dividing line is he's saying she knew that wasn't her stuff and she took it anyway. She's trying to say, oh, the clerk bagged some stuff up and put it with my stuff that wasn't mine.
His stuff was in that red bagging area. You see, like, when we bring stuff up, we bag it up and put it in that red area right there.
Right, okay.
His stuff was paid for in a bag right there.
Okay.
He went to go get some more stuff. I rang her up, and her stuff was also right there. I think it was an honest mistake.
Okay.
His stuff was bagged up right there. His stuff was bagged up right there.
Do you
also.
bag the stuff for them?
Yeah.
Okay, so when she looked down, she just saw bags and probably didn't know what was or wasn't
Yeah.
hers. Okay. Yeah, his side of it is that she knew it was his, like that she just took it. Like, so I was expecting, like, there was this whole pile of his stuff. She does her bag or two and is like, oh, and grabs
No,
everything.
He had one bag, and she had several. So
Okay,
it was an honest mistake, I'm pretty sure.
perfect. Thank you.
They left him up there. You went and bought other items, came back, she grabs your bags and bolts out the door.
Yes.
Okay, now that we'll finish that part. When we get outside, what happens outside?
I came out here and I said, you got my stuff. She was right here.
This is her
Yeah,
bike?
yeah.
Okay.
I caught up with her right here.
Okay.
I caught up with her right here.
Okay.
I said, you got my stuff. She said, no, because the girl, no, when I went back, the girl at the counter, I said, where's my stuff? She said, somebody must have took it. That's what she said.
Okay.
So I said, well, oh shit, it had to be the last person that was at the counter. I come out, she had her bike. I said, you got my stuff? She said, no, I don't. So she got all food items. You know what I got? I got wash stuff.
Like hygiene type thing?
Yes, I got all hygiene.
Do you have your stuff here, or is this everything?
No, I got it.
Your stuff is back
Yeah.
in the truck?
I say, that's my bag right there.
Yeah.
She said, no, it isn't. I don't know what you're talking about.
And tries to keep going?
Yes.
Okay. And then what?
I snatched my bag.
Grab the bag and then went to your truck, or
Yeah, I walked up. She said, I'm calling the police, blah, 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 la, la, la.
then
That's how that went.
what was her reasoning for wanting to call the police if you took your own
Because
items
she
back?
white. I'm black.
Okay.
Y'all gonna believe her.
Sir, that's not it at all.
Y'all
I'm
gonna
trying to
believe
tell
her. That's why she called the police. It happen all the time. I'm
Okay.
telling you, I'm being real, man.
I know how you
The girl stole from me,
I
man.
get
She
how you
stole.
feel that
She
way.
stole
that's
out the
that's what
store.
we're investigating.
Right.
That's why we're
And
trying
then
to
she
see.
flipping the script like, you know what
Yeah,
I mean?
she's telling me you hit her and all this stuff. She doesn't have any injuries of a hit. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I hit her.
I'm straight telling you she doesn't have anything to support her allegation. Does that make sense?
So real quick.
She said I hit her.
She's saying that. I'm saying there's not
You know what
stuff
I
to
told
support
her?
that.
I told her she was lucky that I didn't.
Okay.
That's exactly what I told her. Now, if she want to be truthful, I say, you lucky. And I walked off. I
Okay.
didn't threaten her. I didn't, you know what I mean? I told her, you lucky. You stole from me. And I caught you. You know what I mean?
I understand that.
But I'm the...
You're not the bad
you're
guy,
not, you're
man.
not.
We're trying to see if we have enough for shoplifting.
No. So talking to the clerk. So if we negate any of the allegation of pushing, clerk says he had the one bag.
His
they have,
bag.
Right. They have that little area right past the cash register. Right. She had bagged his stuff, set it there. Right. And then look, it's like a tiny little area. Other girl comes through. She has a couple bags.
She
The
knew
clerk
it
is-
wasn't.
Hold up. Chill. Just chill. The clerk bags up her stuff, piles it all like right there. The woman's paying for her stuff, so she's not looking at it. Basically, does her stuff, grabs all the bags that are sitting there, and takes off. She's like, she goes, I honestly
Y'all
think it was an
done?
honest
Y'all done?
mistake. Just one second.
Can I
one
go,
second.
man, please?
Just
Can
one
I go?
second. We're almost done.
I don't want to hear nothing else. Can I go, please?
You can't go yet. We're
Why?
trying to figure out if there's a crime being committed.
Yeah, if you're
It
saying
ain't no
she stole
crime.
your
She
stuff.
didn't steal it. She made a mistake, took it out the store. I ran her down, took it back. She didn't steal nothing, okay? It was a mistake. All right? Can I go, please?
You can't go yet.
We're almost done. 1 second. So yeah, she goes, honestly, he's making a big deal. She goes, I think it was an honest mistake. And it is. It's a tight little area there. So like if you were paying, using your card or whatever, and you just looked down and saw bags bagged up, and you just scooped everything up, She said he only had one bag.
Did anybody see him in this supposed physical allegation? So,
No, not yet. It doesn't work that way.
not yet.
Just 1 second. Just 1 second.
So-
I am getting at a point though where if we have determined that there was no actual theft, it's what do we have?
She's saying that he gets up in her face
Right.
and starts body bumping her and everything.
Well, now it's body bumping her and pushing her. Or,
Yeah, they're two
like,
different
which-
things, so it's... I don't think she has anything as far as that.
Yeah, we told you you're not free to go, and you decided to walk over here. Just chill out for one more
Listen,
minute.
man,
We're trying
y'all
to
gonna
work this out.
take her side. She
We're
white.
not.
I'm black.
Are you in handcuffs?
She white. I'm black. Y'all
What
gonna
race
take her
that has
side.
nothing to do with
It's
this.
race all day here,
No,
man.
it is not.
All day in America, man. She stole from me. She a crackhead and stole from me.
We get it, and I've already.
Y'all don't give a fuck about that. Y'all don't care nothing about me. That's the
can you-
problem right now. Y'all don't care about me.
How can you say that, sir? Have we done anything to you? We are right now trying to
This is
debunk
so bad,
her.
man.
Why? You won't even listen to me. You
This
won't
is
even listen to
bad,
me.
man. This is bad. This girl said she want me arrested.
Right, and are you in
It took-
handcuffs? Are you in handcuffs? If your theory was true, that we just believe her because she's white and you're black, would you not be in
Y'all
handcuffs
done
right
did it
now?
before.
So
It's
just,
okay.
just chill. Chill.
She was afraid of her life. She
No,
was in fear.
no, that
The
doesn't
black guy
count.
scared me.
That doesn't count.
Man, stop talking. He ready, boy. He all up on me though. But she can say what the fuck she want to say.
No.
That's crazy, man. You want to see the item she took? Can I show you that?
I mean, if you want to, yeah, I'll take a look at them.
Come on,
I
come
understand
on.
it's just the one bag. It was some personal hygiene stuff. I
Come
mean,
on.
it's not a big deal.
Now I want you to tell me what the difference is. This the bag.
Okay.
You see this here?
Right.
She didn't order none of this.
I understand that.
She got all food items.
Okay.
You see what's in there?
Let me ask you a question. Will you just entertain me for 1 second? You know how small that little area is up there. If everything's bagged up and you can't see
You don't
exactly
think she
what's in
know?
it.
Look at
I
her.
don't. Even the clerk
Look
said,
at her. Look at her.
I get it.
Look at
but,
her.
And here's what I did. You know what I did? Because I wasn't here. I asked the clerk. I said, hey, what do you know about this?
Her and the clerk are friends.
She didn't defend her like that. She goes, I think it was an honest mistake, but she was like, couldn't even say for sure. But here at the end of the day, I have no problem with this. Your stuff's back.
If it's an
We're not trying to go with theft stuff.
If it's an honest mistake,
I'm
then
just,
I go.
yes,
if it's
that's
an
what
honest
we're trying to debunk her thing of saying you're this big, bad, mean man
I
who
can't
hurt her.
tell.
That's all we're trying to make sure that that is
because the whole scenario don't change. Not change that I
right.
hit her
And you don't think that,
and look at all this shit.
and you don't think that sounds suspicious. I know. Exactly.
You feel me?
Why
They
you-
got the security guard that was
and that's
out
what
here.
and he's talking.
He was out here the whole time.
Okay, perfect. Then
Ask
perfect.
him.
Perfect.
Ask him
You
that.
got it. And that's what he's doing. He's talking to him right now.
Alright, so her allegations are not supported. He never touched her or anything.
Okay.
He grabbed his stuff off the bike and said, I should do this, but he never actually
All right,
touched
so then
her
he's
like
good to go. We get rid of him?
Yep.
All right.
You have his info?
Yeah, they got it. Did you? Oh, he's just running right now. Hey, cleared it up? 1 second, you're out of here.
Good. All right. She does like shit, man.
No, we
Hey,
just check
security
everything out.
guard, look,
Man.
security guard told us exactly what happened, and it was nothing happened. All right, you just gotta give
You
us a
didn't
couple
believe
minutes.
Me.
No, we.
You didn't believe me.
Well, hold on,
You
hold on.
believed her. You,
No.
Soon as she said
no,
I hit her, you
hold on.
rushed over there.
No.
Like, what the fuck, man? I just.
Hold on, hear me out. You say it didn't happen, she says it absolutely happened. How do I know who's telling the truth? I don't. So I talked to a third-party witness, and they told me the truth, and is that you didn't do anything. An impartial statement. You are good to go.
So who lied?
She's lying.
She don't go to jail for that?
It's kind of the same as you saying, I should have done this to her. It's not a crime.
It's not.
She stole from me.
We wish.
She stole
we
from
literally.
But you
wish
just said
somebody
that
lied
was
to
even
us.
an accident.
Listen. If she would have took something out that store
Right,
by accident,
right.
Accident
that
or
is a
purpose.
goddamn.
No, that's
right.
accident or on purpose. You adult. You know what you're doing, right?
It's a theft.
It is.
You're good.
Thank you, brother.
All right. Thank you so
all
much.
of her allegations are not supported by anybody's eyewitness testimony.
What's
Everything
sad?
that
What's
she
sad?
said is a
What
lie.
I'm saying
Everything that you're saying
is
is
what's
true.
sad is I hate to get aggressive.
I understand.
You feel me? I hate to disrespect y'all. I done been fucking with the law since I was 12 years old. I done prison time. I done been to jail. I know what the law stands for. You feel me? I don't disrespect y'all.
No, you're fine.
But what I'm saying is, I have a story too.
Exactly.
And we listen
That don't
to
mean
it.
that I'm lying. That don't mean that I'm.
We
you know
never-
what I mean?
we
That I'm the
never-
bad
We listen
guy.
to all parties. That's what we do.
Y'all listen to me late.
Was I not
after
the
all that.
first person that walked up and
After
talked
all-
to you?
She fucking lied.
Right.
I understand.
She lied all the way.
And I'm
And
telling
who
not-
came
and
out
I
on
was
top?
telling y'all
Who
that
came out
all
on
the
top?
way.
You did. With the truth.
I'm not on top. She's not in handcuffs.
The condos come out a certain way. We don't
She's
believe
not in
that.
handcuffs. I didn't lie.
Unfortunately, lying's not a crime.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you're good to go, sir. You're free to go.
Can I leave?
Yep, you're all good. Ma'am, why don't you go ahead and head on out, all right? Okay.
What?
I said, okay. I mean, I just don't really see any point in hanging around longer for you guys to exchange words.
If I want. It's fine. I can watch him win. You didn't watch him just try to beat my ass. And you don't care. That's what. No problem.
Okay, why don't you head on out?
Why don't you just go on out too? You have to come with me.
So that's it. That's where things wrapped up. Happy ending, right? Is it what you expected to happen? Is it what you think the police should have done? I would hope so, to be honest with you, because in my opinion, this is the complete proof that shows where someone is so convinced that because of color difference and the police are involved, that we are immediately just going to side with the white person who called us. And that is absolutely not true. The idea is for us to do an investigation and determine what actually happened, and that's exactly what we did. And you can see the truth prevailed in this situation. The man went on his way with his property, and you can even see probably a little bit of the distaste that we had for the woman in the end of it, because she is the one who created this situation needlessly because of her attitude. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Sorry I've been a little behind as usual, but I have more footage and I'm continuing to request more as time goes on so we can keep these going, so bear with me on that. Like I said earlier, and I say in all of my videos, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, please leave them down below. I try to get back to as many people as I can and address some of the questions that you guys have about how things are handled when I can. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. I want to thank you guys as always for tuning in and watching these videos. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the support. You guys are amazing. I love you for it. And until the next video, you guys take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.